In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new campaign in Google Ads. This process is essential if you're looking to enhance your online presence or want to boost sales through effective advertising strategies. We'll walk through each step, ensuring it's simple and straightforward. First, let's head over to Google Ads. To do this, open your web browser and type ads.google.com into the address bar. Google Ads is your gateway to reaching potential customers, giving you the tools to create compelling ads that are displayed to the right audience. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to log into your Google Ads account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, which is a straightforward process usually guided by prompts on the site. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads dashboard. This is the home base for managing all your campaigns, where you can monitor performance, adjust budgets, and much more. Now that we're in the dashboard, the next step is to start your campaign creation process. Focus your attention on the menu panel, where you'll see a variety of options. What we're looking for here is campaigns. Click on it. This section will show you any existing campaigns you might have, along with associated analytics. To start a new campaign, you'll need to click on the New Campaign button. It's usually highlighted to catch your attention. This selection will take you to a setup wizard, which will guide you through the process of creating a new campaign. At this point, you'll be asked to choose your campaign objective, like generating more site traffic, leads, or promoting a specific product with more visibility. Depending on your business goals, selecting the correct objective is crucial, as Google Ads will tailor its recommendations and settings to align with your selection. For instance, if you're looking for more website visits, Google will suggest optimal bid strategies and ad placements to get you the best results. Once you've chosen your objective, the setup will continue. You're now on your way to designing the campaign specifics. These include selecting your audience demographics, setting budget limits, crafting the ad content, among others. Google provides detailed insights and suggestions at every step, so be sure to utilize them to enhance your campaign's effectiveness. Remember, creating a successful advertising campaign is not just about filling out forms. Take your time to consider what your audience looks for and tailor your ads to meet those needs. And there you have it, you've created a new campaign in Google Ads. With these tools at your disposal, you're now ready to engage more customers and optimize your marketing efforts. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your next Google Ads campaign. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and leave a comment if there are other topics you'd like us to cover.